Rebar production process is rigorous. First, select the high quality billet. Check and send it to the heating furnace to rise to 1100 to 1300 degrees centigrade to obtain good plasticity. Then it passes through the rolling mill, rough rolling forming finishing rolling to determine the size. After the rolling is completed, it is cut to a specific length according to the demand, and then cooled in a cold bed to dissipate excess heat. After cooling, the rebar is sorted and counted to ensure the accurate quantity. Finally, the binding operation is carried out, and the label is affixed to mark the product information. After the products pass the quality inspection, they are loaded with professional equipment and transported to various places.